Hi, I'm Ashwin. I'm working as an app developer in Astrobyte. Here I'm going to talk about automation testing in Flutter. Automation testing is a software testing technique making sure the requirement meets results. In the case of large-scale application, testing manually for each new feature is difficult and time-consuming. It is not a good idea too. This problem is solved by automation testing, which will make sure your application is bug-free and working as expected. Alright, integration testing is automated to avoid human interaction. Suppose we can take an example of a screen which we can enter email ID, password and a tab button. After tapping the button, the next screen will be the home page. So all things like entering email ID, password and tapping the button are automated. That means we don't want to interact with the screens. Okay, now let's discuss about integration testing using BDD. So what is BDD? BDD is nothing but behavior driven development. The idea is to describe how the application should behave in very simple user business focused language. That means the test cases are written in simple plain English text. So by writing test case in simple plain English text is the advantage mainly the entire team can understand what the test case is written. So project managers, testers and clients can understand what the test case are written. Okay, with BDD, tests are created using Gherkin language. So we need to understand what is Cucumber and Gherkin language. Cucumber is a tool that supports BDD. In Cucumber, BDD specifications are written in plain simple English, which is defined by Gherkin's language. Gherkin presents behavior of application used from which Cucumber can generate test cases. Okay, now let's see how Gherkin's language looks like. It looks like feature, scenario, when cases, then cases, and given cases. Let's go to the detail about it. So we are writing the Gherkin's language in a file called .feature extension file. So what is feature? The first primary keyword in the Gherkin's document is always be feature, which is just like a description about what we are going to test. And another one is scenario. Scenario is in scenario section we are writing the steps. So it's recommended like 3 to 5 steps. So we can see again the feature file here. Like in scenario case, we write when the button is tapped, even I have button on the screen. So let's go to it. So if we want to describe an initial context, we will write given steps. See. So and if we want to describe an event, we will write using when steps. Like when I tap the button, that's an event. So for an outcome, expected outcome, we write using then steps. So then I should see home page on screen. I can explain this more detailedly with a demo. This is the sample UI that I am going to test. Okay, now let's go to this coding part. First, we need to add Flutter Gherkin dependency. I added this here, 1.1.9 version I added. Next, we need to add Flutter driver dependency. So after that, we need to add a folder test underscore driver. All the files and folder related to testing we need to add under test underscore driver folder. Next we need to add 2 more folders. One is feature and another is steps. So inside feature, all the feature file .feature extension files are written under feature folder, and all the steps related to feature file also written on steps folder. And 2 more another file we need to add is app.dart and test.config.dart file. Okay, let's go inside app.dart. So inside app.dart file, we can see that a method enable Flutter driver extension, which is used to enable Flutter driver and the widget that we want to test. I added my app widget. This is the first page of this app. Next, we can go inside feature file. So inside feature file, I written feature and scenario. Feature is the just description what we are going to do. Let's take first step. Given I have email field and password field and login button. So email field, password field, login button, these are keys. So what is keys? Keys is used to just connect widget and this feature files. So we can see how we can write keys. Let's go inside login page. So let's see the text field widget that is used to write password. So in that widget I added a key password field. So in Flutter already there is a parameter for writing key. In every widget it will be there. And let's see another email field. I added email field key here also. And one more thing like in login button. Added a key login button here. Let's again go back to feature file. So this same key, email field, password field and login button, it is here. Okay. Next we need to write steps for this statement. Let's go inside steps. Okay. Before writing the step, we need to check two things. One is how many keys we passed. Here we passed 3 keys and the statement we used here. Here we used given. Okay. In step, we can see that I extended a method given 3 with the word because we used 3 keys and its parameter is string, string, string and Flutter world. Flutter world is a special Flutter context object which is used to access Flutter driver inside steps folder. Our main aim for this test is find email field, password field and a login button. You can see it here. We are finding 3 widget using a find operator. After finding 3 widget, we are passing it to the Flutter driver utils.isPresent method. See like this. After that, we can see a regular expression which is same as feature expression. One difference is we are passing key here. Instead of that, we are passing method of the key. For next 2 steps, when I will fill email field with test@gmail.com and I will fill the password field with test@. These 2 steps not needed any steps. So in step folder we don't want to write anything. So it is already predefined in the library. Next thing we have to write test case for login button tab. We can see okay, we can see it here. We are passing 1 key. You can see we are passing login button's key. So we are extending then 1 with word. And previously we are passing 3 keys. We are extending given 3 with the word. That's the difference. And we are finding that widget with finder. And after finding the widget, passing again this to the Flutter driver util.tab function. Before we pass that to isPresent function. And same as the regular expression that we return in feature file. That is, I tap the login button. In here, I tap string button, string method. In next step, we need to find home page widget. You can see the step. See, we passed, then one with world. See, similar as first steps. So we are passing one key here and finding the widget with find operator and passing the widget to the isPresent function and the same as regular function. This is all in feature and steps. Next we need to see what is inside test_configuration folder. Flutter driver needs to understand from where execution starts. So we need to specify it here, and also we need to write the steps inside step definition. So these things we need to add in test_configuration folder. Alright, now let's start testing. For that we need to enter a command in terminal dot test_driver, that's the folder we added, slash test_configuration file. Okay, now we can see that all the test case passed. This is all about integration testing. Thank you.